Hello everyone, my name is Sonia Torre and today we were going to carry out this short interview about small experiments in our world environment health and to prepare for this. My partner Nicole is with me. Hello Nicole, had I with us welcome.
Hello, Sonia. And hello, everyone. Thanks. Are you for this opportunity to be here and is a better and center experience that impacts us to be better? For example, I was that are you Sonia our own?
I am a secretary. I have worked in this for 4 years.
Really? What company do you work for?
I work with the Ministry of Defense is an word, but it offers you many job opportunities and well as and work fields of knowledge. What did I did for a living Nicole?
I am in psychology and I work with family. Our field is an equally demanding job, but it is important to our for the children of the country.
That day, Nicole. I did that psychology is complex since it is not easy to understand and guide people. Besides, I also think that your role is important since children and the future of the country and the world and it must enforce their rights.
Well, time in a present I would say. On the other hand, Sonia, what do you think about how you for the defense ministry? I heard how comments about the company.
It is a job world. I am responsible for logistics planning and risk mitigation achieving for your security. However, I like my job. You like your Nicole.
Yes, absolutely, I oversee the educational needs of the children.
That sounds very interesting, Nicole. By the way, it's called Jai. How about a cup of coffee?
I afraid I have because I having a ministry in the minutes. Solo hours I the left I for under morning. Starts are you for indeed?
No, thank you. I just to see you again.